Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to sound like Kendrick Lamar in GarageBand for iPhone. Here's what the vocals sound like without the preset.
I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.
The first step is to add a new audio recorder, and then select lead vocals, which is in the vocals section. Make sure to turn up the pitch control. Go to plugins and EQ. Make sure the compressor's on then. Turn on noise gate. The compressor makes all the quiet parts of your vocals louder. Then set the threshold to -39. Go to the compressor, then repeat these settings. Make sure to turn off track reverb. Turn on visual EQ, then repeat what I do. Go back and then make sure the echo and reverb are all the way down. Then save it as a preset. Now here is a comparison of the vocals.
I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this.